welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about something truly special, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Yes, the iconic classic coupe has been reimagined for the modern era, blending retro charm with cutting-edge technology. For fans of timeless design and electric innovation, this car might just be a dream come true. Let's break down everything you need to know, from the interior and exterior to performance and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a gorgeous tribute to the original, while making smart updates to bring it into the 21st century. The smooth, flowing lines and curvaceous body pay homage to the vintage styling of the 1950s and 60s, but the new version incorporates sharper detailing, full LED lighting, and flush door handles for a modern touch. The front fascia is clean and minimalistic, with a low stance that emphasizes sportiness without losing that elegant, classic feel. Around the back, the car features slim taillights with a wraparound effect and a subtle integrated spoiler, giving it a slightly aggressive edge while keeping it classy. Volkswagen has introduced several heritage-inspired colors, including a modern twist on the classic sea blue and sunset orange, paired with optional chrome accents that really complete the retro-modern aesthetic. Inside the cabin, the Karmann Ghia strikes a perfect balance between nostalgia and next-gen technology. The dashboard design stays true to the original with its symmetrical layout and rounded contours, but it's now made with premium recycled materials and soft-touch finishes. A digital driver display replaces analog gauges, offering customizable themes that even mimic the look of vintage dials. In the center, there's a floating infotainment screen with the latest version of Volkswagen software, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and voice commands. The seats are wrapped in eco-leather and feature contrast stitching that echoes the exterior paint. Both front seats are heated and ventilated, and the rear seats, while compact, are foldable to increase cargo space. Despite its sporty coupe profile, the interior is surprisingly spacious, especially for a two-door model. Performance-wise, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is fully electric, built on VW's modular electric drive platform. The standard model comes with a single motor producing around 220 horsepower and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just under 7 seconds. For those looking for a bit more thrill, there's also a dual-motor all-wheel drive version pushing around 300 horsepower, dropping the 0 to 60 time to under 5 seconds. Range is competitive, with the standard model offering around 270 miles on a single charge, and the AWD version slightly less due to the added power. Regenerative braking is standard, and the ride quality is tuned for a smooth, responsive drive, perfect for both city cruising and weekend getaways. As for pricing, Volkswagen has positioned the new Karmann Ghia as a premium compact electric coupe. The base model starts at around $39,000, while the dual-motor AWD version will likely be priced closer to $45,000. Optional packages like upgraded wheels, panoramic glass roof, and premium audio can push it toward the $50,000 mark, but for what it offers, it's still a strong value for a car that delivers on performance, style, and sustainability. That's our deep dive into the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. A brilliant fusion of heritage and innovation, it's sure to turn heads and win hearts. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you consider driving this modern classic? See you in the next one.